Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create the iconic peanut butter jelly time banana avatar in Roblox. First, you need a solid banana base. Head to the avatar shop and search for banana. You can find free options like the dancing banana package, which provides a full character. For a more customized look, consider a banana costume accessory, typically costing around 110 Robux to start your transformation. Next, let's add the peanut butter. The most direct way is to find a peanut butter and jelly hat in the avatar shop, which combines both elements. If you prefer a more subtle approach, select brown-colored shirts or pants to represent the peanut butter spread. You can also use the advanced skin tone options to color parts of your avatar a rich brown, giving a unique touch. Now for the sweet jelly component. If you already have the peanut butter and jelly hat, you're all set. Otherwise, search for purple or red clothing items, such as shirts or pants, to represent the jelly. You might also find accessories with jelly-inspired designs. For a truly immersive look, use the advanced skin tone editor to color parts of your banana avatar a bright purple or red. To complete your ultimate peanut butter jelly time banana avatar, bring all these elements together. Equip your banana costume, add your chosen peanut butter items, and layer on the jelly-themed accessories or clothing. The goal is a clear, recognizable representation of the famous dancing banana. Now you are ready to showcase your one-of-a-kind peanut butter jelly time banana in Roblox, ready to dance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.